Wouldn't be a video if I didn't try it right on camera. You want to hear the crust? All right, we just got our living dough and we're going to start it up, all right? We're going to activate it. So right now we're keeping it out and we're going to start activating. We're going to add 55 grams of flour and then water and mix it up and let it bubble up. So we're going to see how much it starts up, and ooh, I can smell the sour. It is super strong. So right now we're going to activate it. If you guys can see, it's not bubbling or anything. It's been sleeping, dorming. So it's always alive. Let's add our flour. Make sure everything's mixed. And we're going to activate it now. And if it fails, hey, try again. Make your own, you know. But right now, this is what you get when you buy it. If you guys can see, I'm going to mark it right here for now. This is a permanent marker. That's where it's at right now. So we want a growth a little bit bigger. We'll make sure it goes beyond that, all right? So this is our mason jar. Today we're just going to transfer the one that we started, the sourdough. I see it growing already past the line, so we're going to mix it up in here and we're going to feed it today. So first of all, we're going to transfer whatever I had in here over to the new cover, all right? So that's important. And it started because it was bubbling already, so we're just transferring over, but we're going to feed it some more. We're going to add our stuff in here. Feed it some flour. I'm going to do 3 scoops of this. These are teaspoons. A little bit of water goes in here, but we're going to mix it up as much as we can. Day 4 finally started to rise up, so we're going to continue with the same strategy. All right, so we're going to be ready to move it out. Cut some of it.